Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Dear student, before starting the lesson, you must have with you grade 7 English textbook. We will start our lesson from unit number 1, Justice, Peace and Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. SLOs of this lesson are: apply rules of R and N, the wherever applicable in speech and writing. Ask and answer questions of general everyday aspects. Look at the page number 12. You will find the article section here. What are the articles? I hope you have learned about the articles in your previous class too. So, we will discuss articles first. We have two types of articles: indefinite articles and definite articles. Let's discuss indefinite articles first. R and N are indefinite articles. R and N is usually used when you mention a person, thing for the first time. You are referring to people, things unknown to your listener. You are referring to people, things which are general or not unique. Look at the example here. Look, there is a cat under my car. I'm going to a party tonight. Would you like a biscuit? All these things are unknown for your listener or general, or they are not unique. Here we use an indefinite articles before the words that start with the vowel sound, like an elephant, an apple. Good. Look at the definite articles here. This is called the definite article, as it is used to indicate something specific. We use the with the words like cinema, theater, radio, seaside, etc. For example, we go to the cinema every Saturday. Can you please turn on the radio, please? Shall we go to the beach today? Here, let's look at another example too. The Prime Minister of Pakistan. Here, Pakistan is a pronoun. And we are specifically talking about the Prime Minister of Pakistan. So here we will put the, because it is specific. Now look at the exercise. We have given 4 options for each sentence. You have to choose the right option here. We have a no article option too. If you think there is no need to put any article, so choose no article option here. Look at the first one. I want to buy laptop next week. Here we will choose a. Look at the second one. Can you please go to grocery store in 5th Street and buy 2 cartons of milk? Here the 5th Street is specific, proper noun, so we will add the here. Look at the third one. Please meet me at the train station in hour from now. Here the R is starting from the vowel sound O, so we will add N. Look at the fourth one. I like to watch tennis on television. It is very good game. Yes, we will choose here A. Look at the fifth one. My brother won an award for being best student in our school. Here the best student is specific, so we will choose the here. Look at the page number 13. Starting from 6th one. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw elephant crossing the road in front of my school yesterday. Yes, we have discussed this in examples. We will put N here because it is starting with the vowel sound E, elephant. Look at the 7th one. Would you like to watch movie with me? Yes, a movie with me. Look at the 8th one. How much will it cost to go on holiday to Gilgit? Here the Gilgit is proper noun and specified, capitalized. We will choose the here. Look at the 9th one. Can you please help me pick out birthday present for my father? Yes, we will choose a here. Look at the 10th one. President of the Pakistan will be visiting Australia next week. Here the President of Pakistan is a specific and proper noun. So we will choose the here. Now look at the page number 13. We have a listening and speaking section here. See what it says. Make pairs and practice the dialogue below. Perform a role play in front of the class. Conversation between a father and a son sharing the day's experience. Dear students, you can also perform this role play at your home with your father too. Like sharing your day's experience. What happened from the start of the day to the end. You can share it with your father and he can share his experience with you. In a form of a conversation here, like this. There is a son and a father having a conversation, a dialogue, and sharing their day's experience with one another. Read this and practice this, perform this role play. You can also perform this role play with your cousins, with your friends and your neighbors. If one perform a role play of father and another is son, you can play this. You can practice this with anyone. Dear student, this is your homework from summer pack about definite and indefinite articles on page number 4. I hope you can do this. We have discussed the definite articles here. This is also your homework from summer pack about articles. And this is from your summer pack page number 6. You have to write a simple letter to your mother asking her to gift you some books from her favorite collection. Here, dear students, we have a sample of a letter here. What you need to do, you will write here your address, date, then you will write dear mom. This is subscription or salutation. Body of the letter, introduction. You will ask her about like, I'm fine, I hope you're fine too. The main content will be about the main topic. The main topic of this letter is that you will ask her to gift you some books from her favorite collection. This is the main topic. You will write about it in the main content here. Second paragraph contains a long description. It will be a long paragraph. Look at the third. Here, conclusion and end of the letter. Third para contains the conclusion or end part of a letter. And in the end, you will write your loving son and your name here. I hope, dear student, it will be easy for you. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson.